Do you know this boy?
That's Max. That's our son.
My son would never steal anything.
I love this park, Dad.
Me too, Mia. Let's get our tickets.
Look, Max, balloons.
Maybe later, Mia. Wait right here, you two.
Okay, Dad.
Don't go anywhere, okay?
We won't, Mom. This is gonna be a good day. Stand still, Max. One photo, Max. So many people today. Where should we go first?
Where's my ticket? Come on.
Almost forgot my ticket. Ticket's in here somewhere.
Mia, look. What is it, Max? His wallet just fell.
Wait, sir.
Sir, you dropped this.
What?
That's...
Thief! Thief!
No, wait. I have to go.
Max, wait.
Somebody stop him!
What happened?
I need the police now.
Okay.
Max, why did you run?
He said I stole it, Mia.
I didn't take his wallet. I know you didn't.
Tell me what happened, sir. A boy took my wallet. Then he ran away. Boy, about 11 years old.
Alex, what is going on?
I don't know. Let's look. Do you know this boy?
That's Max. That's our son.
My son would never steal anything. We still need to ask him.
Max? Mia! Come here, please.
I'm sorry, Mom. It fell. I picked it up. I was bringing it back.
That's not true, officer. Let's all stay calm here. Check the cameras first, please. Was there a camera nearby? Maybe near the food stalls.
What if they don't believe him?
It's gonna be okay, Max.
Is this the camera room?
I can check that for you. Give me 1 minute, please.
Almost there.
Please find it, please. Nobody believes me, Dad.
I believe you, Max. Maybe he ran because he's guilty.
The camera will show the truth.
There it is.
There. He picked it up. He was bringing it back.
Oh no.
See? I told you, officer.
Max, you're not in trouble.
Thank goodness. Max. I'm sorry, Max. Truly sorry. Don't accuse without proof, sir. I understand. Thank you, officer.
That was very honest, Max. This is for you, Max.
Thank you. Thank you.
Got it.
Perfect photo.
Best picnic ever, huh?
Let's finish our picnic now. Wait till we tell school, Max.
I'm glad I told the truth.